Welcome back to the channel, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to be one video in a series of videos as it relates to this Dyna pack roller here. This Dyna pack roller here was purchased sometime up in January of 2024 of this year. I never really have the time to get around to it to start. I have to do some work on it because it's kind of busy at daytime and do other stuff. But I'm going to do a complete overhaul, and as you can see, it's a 2006 Dyna pack roller, 122 cc 12 series Dyna pack roller. So I'm going to do a complete overhaul as it relates to the tank kind of bursts, the muffler burnout and stuff, the starter give a little problem. Starter alright still, but it just not engage, not engage, it's not good enough to spin the flywheel. The engine solid. It's a 2-cylinder duet engine. You know, so my engine I didn't really use water to cool them. So you know, so my engine I run from night to day, non-stop. Plus, we also want to give it a complete paint job. Make it look like it just come from the factory. Get all the little lights and back and stuff in it, and little things that will make it nice. And bring it back the value on it, because we kind of get it for your price still. So, without further ado, watch me now. Let's start cut it right down, you understand? So we go. We start to deceive it. Yep. Practically a new battery. Just strip it right down here, you know? Strip it right down here. Yeah. So it's a duet engine. It's a duet engine, 2-cylinder duet engine. You know them old times in the front way back when. But the good thing about these engines, they don't use water for cooling. You don't have, you understand? They use a fan. Yes, and so the fan here for the cooling. So the oil cool the head of the engine. You understand? So the oil cooler here, I'll circulate run back in the come through the oil cooler and go back on the head and it cool, you know. Yeah. So I try to see if I can start it. Alright. Right. Shot boss. There see if I can start the machine, you know. Yeah, I never look for any age from me by chat. Every time now. Huh? Yeah, I never wash it good. My viewers. Whoa. I must have enough Alright. Go and go over there, sir. Positive over there, sir. Alright, so this grounds on my viewers. This are grounds. Hey, run it. Child, lick it down, my child. Watch it.
I'm seeing this.
Yes, my viewers. The chat boss there now.
What? Same time.
Them time. So what's going?
So good, man.
Not my viewers, alright. This is what going. No, no, somebody got right now. I'm going to the man looks strange. Shave off. Yeah.
You don't build up the content.
Yeah.
Eh?
Where?
You don't build up content. Because the delay
Live. Alright, my viewers, everything can up, yes, son? Everything can up. So, drones, good part, live there, so. Move that.
Saturday was off now.
Yeah, I run through all in the man. I'm a viewer, the moment I shoot now, so I'll crank him up and see if he start. Something right there. Yeah, starter. The put me now and go the gear now and go fast enough. Now go all the way out to spin the flywheel. Yeah? So it is a go up on the front of the flywheel and just hitch on the teeth then. So it's starter, we got to take it. Let's move yours. We've got to go to starter. You see that? Starter move yours. Gear now is all the way out. Alright, we got to take off the starter. Alright, move yours. See the starter there? Go touch the starter, you know?
Where man come into the house?
Which one? Oh, when I do starter?
I start out there though.
Eh? Yeah man, I starter, but I do on the big truck man.
Yeah, no man, alternator.
No man, no.
Alternator.
No, the AC we are work on.
AC compressor.
AC compressor with that work on. AC compressor with that work on.
This thing. That's
Him good there man. Alright, my viewers, we're going to take after the starter here. So analyze and see what is what. Alright, then the bolt there was 17. Alright, so one big 17 bolt. Alright, the 17 spanner there. Alright. And the 17 or 60. Shots, yeah man. Shots I will follow you through shot bar.
there is a course in which you can quick.
True.
Quick.
So 16 spanner. So we go pull off the starter and carry go on the technician there. We don't know if the solenoid that give problem with yours. You know? Don't touch me. So let's see what it is, man. This will come from here, so. This will come from here, so. Alright, put on this here. Yeah, I can go on Tishan. I pull myself and see what if I dirty in the dirty and clean up it before I can go to Tishan. Tishan,
Wash it down with gas.
Wash it down, yeah man, that's good. Alright, pull off this out, yeah, so it's all night. So me and current for this all night.
I was still. Oh, I was Mrs. Cindy. Cindy!
This
Your mom beg a 2 surgical knife.
Bang, bang, bang. Alright, my viewers.
Cut pig balls. Cut pig balls.
See, I cut off big them balls.
The blade.
My viewers, I cut off that there.
And can't hold the blade. So all of them time to...
This is a good piece of this.
Oh yeah, move this.
Yeah, man, I'm moving about, yeah. This is stiff.
This off.
Huh? No boat no there, so. Alright.
You can't plug that further.
Well, that was crafty.
Can all off as well. Yes.
No, man.
Lift.
Yeah, come on.
It's branded by Ford.
No, man, no problem, man. This is simple, like, why you talk about.
Oh.
Alright, that. This is very easy.
I have to
So, screw this. And let's screw in the 1. That's 2. Yeah, that's 2. That's this, yeah. 17. We got 14. Alright. 14 spanner and 17 spanner. 14. Alright, let's go. The road?
Yes,
See the road, bro.
tomorrow evening. No. Yeah, Saturday evening to Sunday.
You top sleep where you are, top?
Oh, me there last night. You were there last night?
No, you don't tell me there last night. Tell me for there. No go road in there, brother. I'm married man.
Last night.
Yeah?
We don't want to shop about 6:30.
Yeah, me yard.
I didn't tell you.
Yeah, me yard. So only come in here, dog, I get a night time. You know what we hear them experience. Give me 17 keys here.
I see the pull that one there.
Right, 17. See, man, just bitch up some something more time. Alright, yeah. No business. Yeah. Let's make sure I'm in business. Tomorrow, my brother. Yeah, make sure that's so. You know, so them are sitting here, some old sitting with yours, you know? But they work best. You know, if you worry about no overheating unless the belt bursts. Alright. So we get out both of the screws then. So where I go? See if we can get it off now. Business keys in business. Just see that? You see that? Oi. What a starter heavy, easy. Alright, watch me take out it. Watch me take out. What a starter heavy. Come like a bird in the country. Oi. Oi. And that's something you know. So here what we're going to do, we're going to add some current to the starter. And see what is. Come on, easy. Come on. Add some current to the starter so that Let's see if it'll come right out. Alright, so negative. Alright. Nothing. Nothing easy. Whoa. See that, viewers? You see that? You see that? Come, keys. Hold it. Come hold it. Hold it.
Touch the starter.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not touching that, daddy.
Alright, no. Just hold it. Don't go too close to it, yeah?
Watch this.
Look what happened.
Whoa.
What? What going on? What going on, my viewers? Hold it, pan. Look easy. It'll come out fully, Keegan? Oh, no.
Did you guys see that spark?
Yes, my viewers, so we find out why problems. The gear after the gear. The gear now go out. Gear now go out. You understand? To engage to the flywheel, to spin it and turn the engine. As you can see. Come run us a video, man. Come on, as a video, man. Oi, that the gear. So the gear now come out. The gear now come out to engage the flywheel to spin it. So tomorrow we have okay, I go Tishan and pull it down. You can pull it down and see what is ready for the brush and change. And the whole buy brush and continue the professional. Until next time, I'm going to like, subscribe, share. You know what I mean?